genocide analyzing the silence from a neutral position is frankly obnoxious, not to mention social suicide. Take a bullet, any seed is fine. Triggers transform into fertilize. Soil soaking up another chemicalized. Synthetic germination sipping pesticide. Genetically modified genocide will back on my planet. The clouds never vanish. The grass smells fantastic. In the air that we breathe relaxing. We all live nomadic, so nobody panics when nature gets manic. Cause the only thing that's static is us.